we talk, people listen. So there is power in this natural hair movement and this natural hair community, and that's one of the reasons why I love it. Natural hair community does not equal product junkyism. I want to empower people to learn and care for their natural hair. Hi, my name is Mimi, and welcome to my channel Untwisted, where I share tips and tricks to help you simplify your natural hair care routine in nature, to talk about why I love the natural hair community, and a warning that Curly Nikki gave us a few years back, that we really should be paying attention to. So let's get into it. The first reason I love the natural hair community is because there is power in our voices. When the natural community says they want something, manufacturers, corporations, producers go ahead and pay attention. Everybody was loving castor oil. Now all these products have tons of castor oil in it. There's more representation of different hair types. When we talk, people listen. So there is power in this natural hair movement and this natural hair community, and that's one of the reasons why I love it. The second reason I love natural hair is because of the sisterhood. There have been a few times where I've been out in public and people will just come up to me and start chatting about twist outs, braid outs, and puffs. Not all the time. Or somebody will come up to me and be like, "Oh, I can't wait till I'm growing my hair out." They'll be wearing a weave or something, and they'll be like, "Oh, I'm growing my hair out here. I can't wait to get there." So there's like a sisterhood in this natural hair community, offline and online, that I really do appreciate and enjoy. Online, I've noticed I don't really have any like natural hair friends yet online, but I've noticed that people who have channels are friends with people, other content creators. Content creators get together and there's friendship. I love the spirit. I love the spirit of sisterhood that exists in the natural hair community. The third reason I love the natural hair community is because of style inspiration. Now, braid outs and twist outs seem like old news now, but to be honest, I went natural three times. I went natural three times. Okay, so first time I was like 12. My mother was throwing my hair in two braids to go the perm out. Perm grew out. I had healthy hair again. Boom, went and permed it. Second time I was in college. I did it by accident. I wore braids in my hair for the most part for 4 years, and then when I came home, I permed it. The third time, part of the reason it stuck is because of the natural hair community, and they taught me things I didn't know about styling hair. Like, I had never heard of a twist out before I went natural in 2010, or a braid out. Like, I guess, like, if I wore my hair in braids, I noticed when I took down the cornrows or the box braids, like, yeah, my hair did have a pattern to it. But I honestly never thought to do it as a style. I never thought to put perm rods on natural hair. Yeah, so the style inspiration has helped keep me going and helped me to, continue to be a part of the natural hair community. And the fourth thing I love about the natural hair community are the varieties of textures, types, lengths, density, porosities that are represented on YouTube these days. It is beautiful to be able to go to YouTube, search, for a natural hair issue, and be able to see people from type 3 all the way up to type 4, ZZZZZ. I see a lot of confidence and women who are learning how to manage their hair. And with that being said, there's also a danger in the natural hair community on YouTube, and that's where a lot of these videos about, divesting from the natural hair community, or I hate the natural hair community, or the natural hair community isn't for me, I was very confused because, again, I'm going to read this quote from Curly Nikki, who warned us that this was going to happen. Natural hair community does not equal product junkyism. And over the years, it's become synonymous with that. I haven't been impressed in a long, long time. Most products consist of the same situation, just repackaged. But here's the thing. Since so many people think that natural hair blogging and vlogging is big business, it seems that there aren't many objective reviews out there anymore. Just little whack commercials. Hashtag do better. So I'm gonna just talk about what I hope to contribute to the natural hair community to keep the community that I love flourishing, and how I've noticed that it's changed. So I've noticed there are channels out there who primarily do product reviews, and that wasn't necessarily the case when I first joined. Back when I went natural in 2010, what the natural hair community primarily did was talk about styling, products here and there, just overall general hair care with, like, yes, you need products for hair care, so there has to be some discussion on it. But I didn't realize how many, because I follow like 2 or 3 people in the natural hair community before I made this channel, and they mostly do style tutorials and DIYs. I didn't realize how much of the natural community had shifted to go towards being focused on product reviews. You know, products are just like one small piece of the puzzle. And once you find a product that works, stick to it. Because I'll tell you what, once you find products that work, they are easier. It makes your life so much easier to shop for. When they're on sale, you can buy a bunch because you know you're going to use them up. Yeah, so I'm trying to like simplify the amount of products I use, and if I tried to create a channel based primarily on product reviews, I would run out of footage very fast, because it'd be like, here are the 4 products I use and have a good day. But what I'm hoping to do is to show people, inspire people the way I was inspired by the original natural hair community. Just like try different hairstyles, what techniques are working, what techniques don't. Like when I was relaxed, I never heard nothing about switching hair products up in the wintertime, and even like during my natural hair journey, I didn't always do that. But this one, I'm noticing, yeah, my hair is pretty dry, and I probably do need to like reevaluate the products that I'm using, because just the shifting weather is changing my hair, and that's stuff that I learned about in this community. So that's one of the reasons why I truly do love the natural hair community, and I would love to see it continue to grow. With that being said, so here's what I hope to contribute to the natural hair community. Style inspiration. I like playing in my hair. I wish I had more time to do it, but full-time job and 2 kids, I ain't got as much time as I used to. But I hope to be able to just like capture some quick footage of a style that I probably should be doing anyway, and you know, inspire somebody to try something new with their hair. I want to empower people to learn and care for their natural hair, just because it's out here. And I know me personally, I got my first perm when I was like 5 years old, so I never even had the opportunity to learn how to deal with my hair. And there might be people out there who have permed themselves and they have kids that are now natural, or they might be on a natural journey themselves. So I just really want to be here to provide information and empower people to learn techniques and tricks and tips to style their hair. That's it. I'm not really into chasing products right now. To be honest, I haven't found a good leave-in that I like loved over the years, but everything else, like, I'm pretty much set. So not a lot in the way of product reviews, but I do hope to provide information or just clarify things to help you care for natural hair, whether it's yours or loved ones. You know, maybe your mom is going natural and you want to help them out, or like I said, you're an adult taking care of a child's hair, or just want to hear care tips for yourself. That's what I'm here for, because at the end of the day, most products are just the same repackaged thing, like Nikki said, and once you figure out which ones work for you, grab it, but then learn how to move on and style hair. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you have, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and just leave me a comment and let me know some of the things that you love about the natural hair community, and what topics you're interested in that I might be able to make videos about and assist you in your hair care journey and routine. Thanks for watching.